With well over 6 lakh% of returns from its bottom to its top, Jyoti Resins and Adhesives Ltd is a gem of a stock. Hello friends, welcome to Stocks Dhyan. This is Vivek. It will be my endeavor to bring to your notice Indian growth stocks which will boost your wealth in the long term. Amidst all the uncertain global events that we have been witnessing since the COVID pandemic from 2020 onwards, to the Russia versus the West war being played out in Ukraine even now, and the Chinese disruption of the global supply chain, the global economic story has been dark. However, India remains a bright spot in the global geo-economic story. Even as the world around us has been in a sorry and dismal state, India has provided hope for economic renewal. We are on the way to becoming what China aspired to be, the world's leading economic engine. From manufacturing to infrastructure, from agriculture, IT and defense to consumer and retail, we are leaping ahead in every way. Our SMEs, startups, small caps, mid caps and large caps have a bright future ahead of them. Since the past 1.5 years, the markets have been either downhill or sideways. Yet many stocks in the microcaps and small caps category have offered hope to the long-term investor. One such stock is Jyoti Resins and Adhesives Ltd. Ever since 2006, when the company launched its brand Euro 7000, it has been driven by a focused aim of acquiring national leadership position in the wood adhesives field in the retail segment. Today, it is the second largest selling wood adhesive brand in India. The company has steadily increased its plant capacity at Santej, Ahmedabad from 1000 tons per month by 50% to 1500 tons per month in November 2021 and then further expanded the same to 2000 tons per month in August 2022. Today, it services 13 states in India through 28 branches and 50 distributors, catering to 10,000 active retailers and 3 lakh carpenters across India. A 300-strong sales force plays a key role in this process. Jyoti Resins and Adhesives entered the market with its IPO in the year 1994-95. The company expanded into new geographical markets outside Gujarat in 2007. In 2010, it forayed into Rajasthan. Then, in 2012, it entered markets in Maharashtra. In 2018 to 2019, its presence grew to 12 states. At the heart of Jyoti Resins' business model lies a well-established and customized ERP software which integrates all the hard work such as sales, purchases, distributor and consignee agent ordering, billing inventory, receivables, as well as the carpentry loyalty program. Jyoti Resins is a small cap as can be seen from its market cap of 1,538 crores. The market cap 5 years back was 67.5 crores, which means it has grown by 23 folds over this period. Both the ROCE and the ROE are excellent. The free cash flow is negative, which in this case tells you that money is being spent on capex. The debt to equity ratio shows that the company has zero debt. The management of Jyoti Resins have hit upon a formula to keep the company lean and mean for growth. The most significant aspects of their model are limiting manpower costs to 15 to 16%, selling and distribution expenses under 12%, asset turnover at 8x. This helps them to have a highest EBITDA per ton as compared to their peers, like for instance Pidilite. Of course, the other significant contributor to their success is their carpenter reward model under which 3 lakh carpenters are currently registered. You can pause to see the other details. Jyoti Resins network comprises 13 states, 300 sales force, 28 branches, 10,000 active retailers, 50 distributors and 3 lakh carpenters. Jyoti Resins revenues have grown at a CAGR of 38% and the EBITDA margins by a CAGR of 72.5% over a period of 7 years. Over a period of 7 years, Jyoti Resins PAT, that is profit after tax, has grown at a CAGR of 113%, while the earning per share over the same period has grown at a CAGR of 115%. In the financial year 2020-21, Jyoti Resins gave a dividend payout of 10% amounting to 3 rupees per share, and in 2021 to 2022, the company gave a dividend payout of 15% amounting to 7.5 rupees per share. The company, as a part of its business strategy, holds regular dealer meets such as this one in Jaipur last year. The company has a diversified product portfolio within the white glue segment with properties such as anti-termite, heat resistance, fast drying, waterproof, etc. The company is expanding its product line with new launches. The products coming in at 50 kg drum packs as well. Jyoti Resins has a manufacturing plant of 1,500 tons per month at Santej, Ahmedabad. This facility has been expanded to 2,000 tons per month in August 2022. A debt-free company with a 116% CAGR of profit growth over the last 5 years, Jyoti Resins is a tiger of a stock which deserves a look from those looking for long-term investment opportunities. Of course, this is not an investment advice. Jyoti Resins' peer is the sector market leader Pidilite, which has a market cap 75 times greater than Jyoti Resins' market cap. Clearly, Jyoti has a longer runway to cover before it can take flight. And the last 5 years have been a great journey for Jyoti. Past performance can be a great indicator of future success, and white glue made Pidilite. The Indian market is vast enough to have another such prospective player in Jyoti Resins. Jyoti Resins looks at maintaining its margins and ROCE by tapping larger investable resources from within. From capacity expansion in terms of manufacturing as well as sales, Jyoti Resins and Adhesives is targeting 25% CAGR for revenues over the next 3 to 4 years from base year FY 2022. Their aim is to remain debt-free and maintain plus 30% ROE and plus 40% ROCE. And this is great news for long-term investors. As can be seen from a period of 45 days ending 15th of March 2023, Jyoti Resins had a good delivery percentage of 100% on 9 occasions. The highest delivery volume reaching 90,000 shares on 13th of February 2023. It is as if Jyoti Resins is hiding in plain sight, or the investors have not yet warmed up to its potential. All the figures here for compounded growth and return on equity are extravagantly impressive in spite of a bearish market. In a bull run, these impressive figures will be even more astoundingly impressive, especially the stock price CAGR, which was over 300% for 3 years a few months back. Also, do not forget that the face value of the stock is still 10. I would suggest the reader to pause and read this interview. For me, what really comes through is the determination of Mr. Utkarsh Patel in his utterance, which is highlighted in yellow. We seek to be focused in this category since it is an industry symbolized by one large player followed by us at number 2 and followed by the rest. The gap between us and the largest player is quite significant, and we aim to bridge this gap even as the market continues to expand.
वे फॉरवर्ड में बताया कि आप डेट फ्री हो जाएंगे और पॉजिटिव ऑपरेटिंग कैश फ्लोज और फ्री कैश फ्लोज भी कंपनी देखेगी. ये कब तक हो जाएगा? आप डेट फ्री कब तक हो?
The voice was breaking.
मैं रिपीट करती हूँ उत्कर्ष. आप डेट फ्री कब तक हो जाएंगे?
We are already debt free right now.
ऑलराइट. और क्या किस तरह का कैपेक्स अनाउंसमेंट भी होगा? क्योंकि आपने ये आपकी गाइडेंस में एक और चीज निकल कर आई कि आप अपनी रीच एक्सपैंड करेंगे डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में, पेनिट्रेशन एग्जिस्टिंग स्टेट्स में भी और बढ़ाएंगे. तो क्या यहाँ पर कैपेक्स कंपनी करेगी? और
right now we have the capacity of 24,000 ton per annum, and we already reached around 18 to 20,000 ton per annum. So we are planning for the expansion of 5,000 ton per month. So it will be the 60,000 ton per annum. So we'll go for the capex in next 2 years.
2,000 टन पर मंथ अभी आपकी फिलहाल एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी है और आप उसे लगभग 2.5 गुना करने की यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं. राइट? एम आई राइट मिस्टर उत्कर्ष?
ओके, जाते जाते उत्कर्ष जी, एक आखिरी सवाल. नेक्स्ट 3 से 4 साल में कितने लेवल के मार्जिन्स आप एंजॉय करने के लिए कॉन्फिडेंट फील कर रहे हैं इस समय?
करीबन 18 to 20% ऑफ EBITDA मार्जिन.
उत्कर्ष, बहुत शुक्रिया आज हमसे बात करने के लिए और आपके आगे आने वाले प्लान्स के लिए.
Here we compare Jyoti Resins and Adhesives Ltd with its 3 competitors, Pidilite Industries, Nikhil Adhesives and HP Adhesives. Jyoti is at the top in the OPM percentage at nearly 19%, leaving the segment industry leader Pidilite at 16.5% in the second place. Jyoti Resins is also at the top in the 3-year as well as 5-year sales and profit. The P by E ratios show that Jyoti is slightly overvalued. All good stocks are always overvalued. The comparison clearly supports the view that Jyoti Resins is a stock which deserves a look from the investor. Jyoti Resins' hard work paid off when post 2015 the stock price started appreciating from double digits to the current 4 digits. From 2020 onwards, Jyoti Resins stock skyrocketed. If one were to consider its journey from the bottom to its maximum price, the appreciation is well over 6 lakh %. The all-time maximum chart of Jyoti Resins is what anyone would fall in love with, an investor's delight. The curve going up from left bottom climbing steeply from 2019 onwards to top right. Please note that Jyoti Resins has never really gone down. It is consolidating and is well over the 250-month and 10-month moving average lines. I would call this stock a crouching tiger. You can imagine its trajectory when it leaps. Now to the best part. We all aspire to be rich, but how long would you be willing to wait to be so? I have tremendous faith in the ongoing growth story of the Indian market. Jyoti Resins is a growth engine by itself. White glue is the cornerstone of carpentry and is irreplaceable. Jyoti Resins' performance and management's commentary has been exhilarating to raise the investors' optimism and faith manifold. Please note that I have taken the rate of return that is stock price CAGR is 200. Actually, this can even reach 400 when the bull market arrives. So counting our eggs before they hatch, I would say it would take a lump sum investing of 1 lakh for a tenure of 8 years and an expected rate of return of 200 to fetch you a corpus of 65 crores. The figures are even more impressive with Philology's SIP calculators for the same tenure on your Android mobile. A disclaimer here, I am invested in Jyoti Resins and Adhesives Ltd. I am doing an SIP in this stock and this is not an investment advice. Please do your own due research and diligence before investing.